Paano magbayad sa home credit gamit ang KONEK2CARD app? Mag-login sa inyong K2C app, piliin ang Bills Payment, click the arrow under Select Biller, click Loans, click the arrow under Select Product, click Home Credit, click the arrow under Account Number, click your pledge account. Enter the amount to be paid. Input the details, first name, last name, reference or contract number, mobile number, email address, and then click Submit. Enter your 6-digit mobile PIN. Payment on process. Take note of the reference number. So this is a real-time payment. So after a few minutes or right away, you can check in your home credit app. Thank you.
Hold up.